Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 530 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this Eyeko London Beach Waterproof Mascara. So this is a mini version that I got in my July Ipsy Glam bag. So if you haven't seen my unbagging of that, I will have that video linked down below because I got some really exciting products this month. But I was really excited to get this product specifically because I don't have any waterproof mascara, so that's just good to have in my collection for when I'm going swimming, to the beach, anything like that. And I really like the brand Eyeko London. I heard about them from Ipsy when I got an eyeliner, and I love that eyeliner. So I will also have that video linked down below if you want to see that review. But I'm very excited to be trying out another product from this brand, Eyeko London. I was looking it up online and you can buy this brand at Nordstrom and Ulta. The full-size version retails for $26, which is pretty expensive. That's like a high-end mascara in my opinion. But it does sound really nice because it has coconut oil, fruit extracts, and sunscreen in it to nourish and protect the lashes, which having sunscreen in the mascara makes me a little bit nervous of like how that'll be on my eyes, because we all know if you get sunscreen in your eyes, it burns. So I'm not sure how this works, if the mascara would like burn my eyes or something, but I guess we're gonna find out. And this also has really high ratings on the Ulta website, and I always find that those high rated products on the Ulta website are really great. So hopefully this will be really great as well. So let's check it out. I like this kind of squeezy tube for a mascara. That's different. All right, let's check out the wand. Whoa, that is an interesting shaped wand. I'm like, is that how it's supposed to be, or is it morphed? I did read online that it's supposed to have a wavy shape, but it's interesting. It's got different length bristles. Some of them are very short, some of them are longer. So here is what it looks like. So let's see how it does. I didn't curl my lashes yet, because I did read that this is supposed to have lift and curl to it. So we'll see if it actually does. It's doing a good job of coating all of the lashes very quickly. I feel like they all are looking fully black right away. And there's already some really good lengthening effect. And as I'm building it up, it's also adding a lot of volume, but not much separation. The more I add, the more the lashes are sticking together and starting to look pretty clumpy. So this effect is not my ideal mascara effect, and you can see I did get some mascara on the eyelid. Let's see how it does on the lower lashes. It's not really getting all of my lashes, so the wand is really not good for lower lashes. Honestly, I am not very impressed by this. And this is a very expensive mascara, whereas this kind of reminds me of some of those dollar store mascaras that I've tried out. And then there are way less expensive mascaras that are so much better. But here, let me show you a zoomed in view of the difference. It does have a little bit of lift and curl. Let me go ahead and apply it to the other eye to get my final thoughts. You know what's pretty sad is that I have not been to the beach yet this summer, and I live pretty close to the beach. I mean, within an hour and a half, so an easy day trip, but I haven't been yet, and I love the beach, so I'm sad about that. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite summer activities are. Do you like going to the beach? Do you go to the pool, the lake? Let me know. Okay, so if I just do one layer and I stop here, then the lashes are looking separated. They are looking fully black. There's a little bit of length, but there's not that volume, but at least all of the lashes are separated and there's no clumping. But I feel like it just didn't give enough impact to the lashes, which is why I want to layer it up. Because it really does layer well. The volume really builds up, which is good. I just wish that the lashes would stay separated. But yeah, definitely struggle putting this on the lower lashes. Okay, so now mascara is fully on, and I'll use this when I need a waterproof mascara, but it would not be my daily mascara just because this is not how I want my lashes to look. I want that separation, and there's a lot of mascara on my under eye. So I'm surprised that I don't love this as much as I thought that I would. Mascaras are a tricky type of product because if you want lots of volume, then sometimes you have to settle for less separation, and some people like more of that clumped together, clumpy mascara kind of look, and I just feel like people have such different preferences in mascara. But oh well. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.